Hi, my name is Anthony. I am CEO of UniExo. It's modular robotic exoskeleton for rehabilitation of movement. Our device now proposes to target groups. It's people with fractures, it's people with paralyzed limbs, it's people who have movement problems from heart attack and other situations in the life. UniExo have 5 competitors in the market. It's Revolk, it's Exobionics, it's RealGo, and it's HAL5.
In our UniExo project, we have 2 types of business models. First model is B2B, where we are aiming at various private clinics, sports clubs, fitness centers, and rehabilitation centers. Second business model is B2C, implying the assistance to people with different specific needs and injuries.
UniExo is unique. It has protected algorithms using 3D printing. It's modular, will connect to AI.
We have a first payment customers. We produce industrial prototypes of exoskeleton for our clients, and it's notable progress of UniExo.